In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a checkable box in Word. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to add a checkable box. This can be useful when creating checklists, forms, questionnaires, or other documents where you want someone to mark items as completed. Once your document is open, place your cursor where you want the checkable box to appear. Next, go to the File tab and select Options. In the Word Options window, choose Customize Ribbon from the list on the left. Look through the options on the right side and find the Developer checkbox. Select it to add the Developer tab to the Word ribbon, then click OK. You should now see the Developer tab available at the top of Microsoft Word. Click the Developer tab to open its tools. In the Controls section, look for the Checkbox Content Control option. Select it, and Word will insert a checkable box at the location of your cursor. You can now add text next to the box to create your checklist item. For example, you can type a task or statement beside the checkable box. Repeat the same process for each item you want to include in your checklist. To use the checkable box, simply click it. The box can then be marked to show that the item has been completed. You can click it again when you need to change its state. If you want to create several checklist items, keep each checkable box next to its corresponding text. This makes the document easier to read and allows users to work through the list one item at a time. Once you have added all the checkable boxes you need, review your document to make sure each box is positioned correctly and that the text beside it is clear. You can also adjust the spacing between the items to keep the checklist organized. Using the Checkbox Content Control in Microsoft Word gives you an interactive way to create checklists directly inside your document. Unlike a simple square symbol, these boxes can be clicked to mark items as completed. When you're finished, save your Word document so you can keep your checklist and use the interactive boxes whenever needed. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,